Gato cake, traditional Turkish food. Cake, or kek in Turkish, is a traditional dessert that has been enjoyed in Turkey for centuries. Known for its moist and fluffy texture, Turkish cake, or bisküvi kek, is a beloved sweet treat that is often served during special occasions and celebrations. To make Turkish cake, a combination of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter or oil is mixed together and baked in the oven. The resulting cake is light and airy, with a delicate sweetness and a hint of vam. LLA or other flavorings. Turkish cake is often served with a variety of toppings and accompaniments, such as whipped cream, fresh fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar. It can also be layered with jam or frosting to create a more elaborate dessert, such as a birthday cake or wedding cake. One popular variation of Turkish cake is rivani, which is made with semolina flour and soaked in a sweet syrup made from sugar, water, and lemon juice. This gives the cake a moist and flavorful texture. And is often served with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkling of chopped nuts. Another popular variation of Turkish cake is pasta, which is typically made with chocolate and sometimes includes nuts or other ingredients. This rich and decadent dessert is often served at specia events or as a treat during the holiday season. Overall, Turkish cake is a beloved and versatile dessert that has been enjoyed by generations of Turks and continues to be a staple in Turkish cuisine today. Whether enjoyed as a simple treat or as a elaborate dessert, Turkish cake is sure to delight anyone with a sweet tooth. Here is a simple recipe to make traditional Turkish cake. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ cup milk. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch, 23 cm, cake pan and set aside. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the butter and sugar together using an electric mixer until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk, and beating until just combined.